just before 10 a.m. on March 20th, 2011. It's time to fly.
Tests that we often do on a first flight, we also stepped out and did some very important stability and control conditions that we wouldn't ordinarily do. That's basically a testament to how prepared the airplane was.
Flying such a beautiful machine on a gorgeous day today, on such a perfect test mission, there's just nothing better than that.
Thank everyone who's had a hand in building and designing and getting this airplane ready for today. It really is a fabulous airplane.